Today, we're reviewing this AGOGO Milano portable coffee pot. Shout out to Draper Lord for donating this. We're going to see if this little guy is the solution we've been looking for portable coffee at our campsites. Let's check it out. The instructions out of the box are pretty hard to understand. We're going to do our best to figure this out as we go. We have a complete cup of coffee. The whole process took maybe 5 minutes. Not bad. Tastes like coffee. I think we've got a winner.